DHL joins in an effort to help our colleagues from DHL Venezuela. The team of DHL Express Panama here working together as one.
We are all working here together with the warmth of the Panamanians. Hope our Venezuelan colleagues receive it. We love them very much. All the departments are working with all our love.
Milk, rice, toothpaste, soap, goods that our colleagues in Courier Venezuela need. We will support them.
Some of the provisions that we will send to Venezuela so that people there have at least something to eat.
The DHL America's Disaster Response Team string along as a company to help these colleagues. All colleagues here together to support our brothers in Venezuela. For us, it is a great honor. The huge collaboration received from DHL Aviation, Panama, DHL Logistics Panama, DHL Express Panama.
Thank you, and I hope you like what we've done for you. Bye!
It is a contribution that we give to our collaborators. Thanks to DHL Regional Office, which brings Paul Ciano, Mike Parra, the whole team, Cesar Ramirez of Venezuela, Sandra Miro in Panama, all the team that contributed with the management today. This arises from the need to help our team, which is suffering the downturn of the purchasing power in their homes.
Behind me is the classification, and today we will make the first deliveries of the boxes to our colleagues.
On the other hand, here in Caracas, we took care of the logistics.
Today, we close with Gold Rouge with the first delivery of boxes for the DHL Express team. I'm very happy. Thanks.
An excellent and unexpected initiative.
My team and I are very proud and pleased with DHL Panama.
Also, the leaders of the organization, as well as DHL Express, DSC, Vensecar, DHL Global Forwarding, that have been in charge to get the approvals to make this happen. We are happy with the aid received. I did not have any of these items in my house due to the shortage that we are experiencing. This great humanitarian help and much more in these difficult times that our country is going through.
It is very nice that you are doing regarding the situation that this country is living.
Those are goods that even if you have the money, you cannot get. This job that has been done for us by our colleagues in Panama and the organization, we are deeply grateful. This aid has arrived at the required and exact time. We are very happy to be able to support our people. This is one of the pillars of motivated people. Obviously, we've done this with the huge speed of the yellow machinery that has done that this objective has been achieved. How nice it is that the company thinks in the wellness of all at a not very pleasant time for our country. Thank you very much to the Dutch Post Social Responsibility team. Thanks a lot to the regional team, to the Americas Management Board, to the area team for all the approvals, and especially to the DRT team led by Gilberto Castro for all the support to bring all these packages to Venezuela. To the great operations and sales team of DHL Venezuela, by also taking care of the logistics, to prepare the airway bills, the invoices to nationalize the shipments, we thank you all for making this possible. I want to send a warm regard to our friends in Panama.
I want to say thank you to the personnel in Panama.
Gratitude to our friends in Panama.
I want to express my appreciation for the first need items. I'm very delighted for the boxes sent by DHL Panama.
I am pleased with the people in Panama for this support that they are giving us. I have no words to express our thanks.
Thank you very much to DHL Venezuela for the initiative. Thank you very much to DHL Panama for the support. This is what makes of DHL the best place to work.